This project began actually as a teaching problem. I had planned a course that I taught actually this past spring, in the spring of 2014, called American Plays and Musicals 1940 to 1960. And the idea of the course was based in what I saw as a gap in some of the scholarship that's developed about the American musical theater over the past 20 years. That this scholarship, as rich as it is, sees musicals very much as a world unto themselves. This musical, this subgenre, that subgenre. And there's little sense of the fact that musicals were part of a larger Broadway scene at the time, and that they were in dialogue, in conversation with other plays at the same moment. And the answer was, well, there are these great databases online that have this information. The Internet Broadway database, which is run by the Broadway League, a trade association for the industry. Playbill Vault, which is affiliated with Playbill, which publishes all the Broadway programs, and a few other places like that. The problem with these remarkable websites is that they give you synchronic slices of Broadway. You can look at a single day, a single season, all at once. You can see someone's whole career all at once, but just that one person's career. And then you have to go to the next person. And so the question then was, how do we get a sense of flow? How do we get a sense of diachrony? Not just of this moment in time, then that moment in time, but this movement through time. And that's when the questions of these digital tools came up. From there, I've become fascinated by the amount of data we have about Broadway productions and who was in them and when they opened, when they closed, how much money they made, and trying to find ways, first of all, just to see the flow of this information over time, and then to try to use that as a prompt to think about what we're missing in our other stories of theater history.